Tomorrow is the new year, so we're gonna do a huge Sunday reset. I'm actually filming this on Saturday, but you guys get the point. It's a Sunday reset. Let me show you guys the before. So I'm gonna be cleaning, doing laundry. I actually just got groceries earlier today, but I'm probably gonna go get a couple of other things. Disclaimer, my apartment normally doesn't look like this, but I knew I was filming a Sunday reset, so I kind of purposely let it get a little bit messy. So just know this is not how I normally live, but here's the current state of my apartment. So lots of clutter is left out. This cart is from me bringing up groceries earlier. I have to clean the kitchen. My sister just came over and helped me repot my plant because my little planty was dying because I had it in a pot that didn't have drainage. And yes, we did this inside. I honestly should have put a bag down, but I'm gonna clean up all of that dirt. And then I took down my Christmas stuff, so I have to take that out to my little storage. I made a metal Christmas tree, and then yeah, the plant situation over there. The room honestly isn't that messy, but I do want to wash everything, dust and clean. I also just gave away my TV to my sister. Y'all, I've had that TV in my bedroom for 3 years, and I promise you I've only watched it twice. I don't watch TV in my room, so I'm gonna clean this off and put something else there. I do need to organize my camera equipment. I still have all of my posters from my marathon, so figure out what to do with those. And then for the bathroom, I kind of did like a mini clean yesterday. I just want to go through and just like wash everything again and get everything all nice and organized. Oh, and then yeah, trash needs to be taken out, and I also like need to put some stuff away in my kitchen. I had cinnamon rolls earlier. I need to do dishes and put clean dishes back away. stuffed these in here. Another project for another time is I need to go through all these drawers and organize them, but I just have so much stuff and I don't know what to do with it now. So these are just gonna go in here for now. You know you're cleaning when you start sweating. I just turned off my heat because it's so hot. Yeah, I have on a sweatshirt, but sweating in here cleaning all this stuff. Okay, so I'm about to go to the store. Here's what my apartment looks like. It's pretty much all clean. I mopped and put all the junk and stuff away. Also, side note, I'm so excited for this plant because it was dying until my sister came over and repotted because the other plant didn't have drainage. I also need to get, oh, I might add that to my store list. I need to get like a plate under because it has drainage. So everything is all nice and clean. I actually went to Target earlier and picked up a couple of groceries. I don't like buying a lot at once because I live alone and it will go bad. So I got like some fruit earlier. I refilled my Nespresso pods and just got a couple of things. I know my fridge looks empty. I need to put my eggs in there. I cut up some fruit, got some yogurt, bagels, and cream cheese. And I know this looks empty, but I honestly don't buy a lot unless I'm cooking it that day. And so I have lots of like pantry items and snacks and stuff. I need to go get something for dinner. And then I'm still doing laundry, so I'll put all of the stuff back on my bed. I need to buy some decor for there because now that there's no TV, it's looking pretty empty. And then in here, everything is all nice and clean. And I organized my closet. There's a bunch of junk all over the place, so I'm finishing up laundry. Couple more loads to do, and I put all my clothes away. So I'm gonna head to the store and get a couple of things and finish off my Sunday reset. I'm also gonna take this down to my car. My mom got me this new cart for Christmas. I've had this other cart for years and it was broken, dusted, busted. So I'm gonna go throw that in the dumpster and take that into the car downstairs. Just got to the gas station. I'm not on E, but I always try to fill up every single Sunday, and I also use this opportunity to throw away any trash in my car, so that's what I'm going to do. I just have a coffee, water bottle, and then this bag of trash. such a bad Trader Joe run. They didn't have my favorite frozen orange chicken. They also didn't have the flowers I liked. I got other stuff instead. I'll show you guys what I got when I get home. Last stop is I'm gonna stop by Sephora to get a quick little hair oil and then head back home. I'm back. Here's what I got from Sephora. I just wanted this one little thing. I got this Moroccan, focus. I got this Moroccan hair oil. I haven't tried this brand before, but I'm straightening my hair tomorrow and my cousin says this oil is really good. And then from Trader Joe's, they didn't have the flowers I liked, so I just got eucalyptus and a couple of frozen things. I got 2 bags of chicken fried rice. I normally get vegetable fried rice. That was completely out. Ah, my purse. And then I tried this before and it was actually really good. So I got some gnocchi, and this is what I'm gonna make for dinner with the rice. Is Kung Pao chicken because they were all out of my orange chicken. So let me put everything away. And I have a clean place, food in the fridge, laundry's done. I have fresh greenery around my apartment. A couple of things. Normally on a Sunday reset, I would actually wash my hair and do my entire hair routine, but I'm actually straightening my hair tomorrow for the first time since 2016. So that's gonna be a whole other thing, but basically it's always clean, laundry, gas, groceries, and just any other errands and tidying up. For the new year, I've also been getting rid of any clutter, things that I don't need, and the last thing I'm going to do to reset before 2024 is a digital cleanse. So I'm gonna go through, unfollow any accounts that don't bring me any joy or don't bring anything positive into my life, declutter apps I don't use, and just go through my digital space and make sure everything's nice and clean. Physical space is clean, digital space, mental space, and just really relax and go into the new year with a new mind. Also in 2024, I'm going to be more consistent posting, so make sure to subscribe to keep up with that, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. I hope you have the most amazing New Year's Eve and a wonderful 2024. Bye!